Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about the topic of dielectrics. So basically dielectrics are the insulating materials which prevents the flow of any heat, sound or current from one side to other to takes place. So due to that, they are called as different kind of dielectrics: heat dielectric, sound dielectrics, or current dielectric. Normal dielectrics we use this as a current dielectric. So heat insulators are like so the other name of these are also called as heat insulators, which prevent the flow of heat to takes place. Sound insulator which prevent the flow of sound to takes place, and current insulators which prevent flow of current to takes place. Basically, dielectric consists of two kind of molecules. So let us first of all discuss there are two kind of molecules. One is called as polar and another is called as a non-polar. Polar molecules are those which have got the poles. These are called as the polar molecules. These are called as a non-polar, or non-polar which do not have the poles, like H2, N2, like that way. Similarly, polars are there like that way. Poles, H2O, HCl. So positive and negative turns are separated by certain distance. Here, positive and negative side are there coinciding at the same place. Their center coinciding at the same place. So this is the difference between the polar and non-polar. So the dielectric either consists of this one or consists of this one. So if the dielectric consists of polar molecules, non-polar molecules, then what will happen? So that means this is fully filled with positive and negative ions like this way. Center and positive and negative charge coincide, and no dipole moment is there. Dipole moment basically occurs when the two charges are separated by certain distance, and that distance is called as a dipole moment. Now here the positive and negative charges, they are at the same place, no distance between them, so dipole moment is zero. So in case of non-polar molecules, the dipole moment is already zero. The positive and negative charge are at the same place. So in the absence of electric field, they do not show any kind of polarization. But when you take the polar molecules which have got the positive and negative charges are separated by each other, so like this way, you can keep it at like this way, like that way. Now they have got the dipole moment. Now what happens? This dipole moment is there, but what happens when they are placed inside the material? So they positive and negative charge, they arrange in such a way that positive of one coincide with the negative of other, and negative of one coincide with positive of other, and like this way, negative of this with positive of other, and make the closing loop. So which makes the net dipole moment to be zero. So that means in case of non-polar molecules, again the net dipole moment is zero. So this is in case of non-polar, and this is in case of a polar. Although polar molecules have the individual dipole moment, but the resultant dipole moment is zero. Non-polar do not have dipole moment, but resultant dipole moment is already zero. So that is what happens inside in the absence of electric field. Now what happens when the field is being applied? So when the field is applied to the dielectric, which consists of non-polar molecules, so positive and negative like this way. So basically they are spherical in shape. So when you are applying the field, so like this way, field is being applied from positive to negative. So this one is the field is being applied. So when the field is being applied, so the positive and negative charges, they are being separated from each other. So what happens? So the positive and negative charge, they get displaced in such a way that their shape get changed, that they change themselves into the oval shape like that, because the nature is such that positive always repel the positive charges and negative always repel the negative charges. So positive will repel this one, so all the positive go to this side and negative goes to this side. Positive and negative, they attract each other, so like this way. So the space shape will change to the this one. Now what happens, since the field is always from positive to negative, so here the field is also going to happen, which is again from positive to negative. Now this is the field due to the molecules. This is the field which we are applied. Now we are applying this one and the molecules applying this one. So they are opposing each other. So net dipole moment will be reduced. So net value will be, this is the net value. So this is external. This is your dipole due to the molecules, dipole or molecules. So this is the net dipole moment by after cancelling out the common factor, and resultant dipole moment will be this one. So this is what happens. The net means net field will be get reduced in the presence of a electric field. That is happens in case of non-polar molecules. Now what happens when the molecules are polar molecules are there? Now polar molecules we have seen they are randomly placed. Now this one positive, negative, and this one negative, positive. Now let us say when the field is being applied from positive to negative. This is positive to negative. Now when the field is being applied, so what happens? The positive will cause this positive molecule to repel and negative to attract. Positive to repel and negative to attract. So which causes the orientation of the molecules to take place. So this orientation will occur like this way. All the positive goes to this side and negative comes to this side. Positive to this side, negative to this side. So this is the field which we are applying, and this is what is happening outside. So this is happening, this is the field due to the molecules. So now the field due to molecules which is happening or which is coming out, it is opposite to the direction of the applied field. So which causes the net dipole moment to be reduced. So that means what is this is how the dielectric used to work. Thank you.